Today, we're building a unique tiered structure. Now we just need to all of these joints. Let's secure these copper pipes. Time to test the pump. Let's start by tucking this vibrant Java moss into the crevices. Use tweezers to secure these miniature ferns in place. Next, place these smooth carnelian stones along the water path. Now we carefully place the beach hut right here. And now, we connect the micro LED wires. Let's build a tiny paradise. These lights add a touch of magic. I'm so excited to show you this, my completed tropical coconut oasis. Let's build a miniature paradise. Let's drill the water channels. Now we assemble it. Routing execution is critical. Pump connection is successful. We start by placing the live Java moss. Then, we add these vibrant carnelian crystals. Aventurine and gravel create a natural look, and that is how you bring a ledge to life. This creates the perfect, cozy beach vibe. Welcome to our project outline on compliance. In this topic, strict adherence is required. We must ensure continuity in all standards. For strict compliance, we adhere to all requirements. Adherence to these standards is crucial for continuity. This guarantees the success of our tree project. Strict adherence to requirements is crucial. This ensures continuity in our project.
Welcome to our tree special. We must adhere strictly to every project standard. This compliance ensures our continuity.
Today we are crafting a miniature world. Every detail adds to its magic. Let there be a little light. Perfectly positioned on the branch. Time to turn on the lights. Makes it look cozy and inhabited.